So you want to make a balloon dog, do you? Well, you've come to the right place because I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to make your first balloon animal, the legendary balloon dog. Grab your handy dandy balloon pump and a balloon twisting balloon. Inflate your balloon so that you have about 4 finger widths left uninflated, and tie off your nozzle. Tying off this nozzle in the balloon is 100% the hardest part of balloon twisting, so if you're having trouble with that, check out some of my other tutorial videos. Obviously, subscribe to my channel if you're gonna be doing more balloon twisting in the future. I'm gonna show you 2 ways to do the beginner balloon dog. So here's the first method. When you're twisting any balloon animal, make sure that you're always starting near the end with the nozzle on it, not the tail. If you start on this end of the balloon with the deflated tail, the air will have nowhere to go that way. So take your balloon, bend it together, and hold it together with one hand so that you have a height of about 10 inches. This isn't a strict science, but if you make these proportions larger, the proportions on the back half of your dog are going to have to be smaller, and vice versa. This height is usually about 2 hand widths for me. With your hand that's holding this together, right in the middle of it, squeeze together and twist around this loop that you're making. You've just made the dog nose and the ears. Step 2, do the exact same thing. Make a bend in your balloon so that the height of it is about 10 inches. Squeeze both sides of the balloon together with one hand, and with your free hand, twist around the loop that you just made. What you just made was the neck and the 2 front legs. You can also twist the neck around if your dog is looking backwards or off to the side. Step 3, do the exact same thing. Line up the end of your inflated part to the last twist that you made. Ideally, this will be about 10 inches. Squeeze it together in the middle with one hand, and with your free hand, twist around this loop. What you just made was the body of your dog, your back 2 legs, and your tail. So orient your back legs with your front legs, and you've got a completed balloon dog. The second way of doing this is also very easy. You will be making 10 sections total that are all the exact same length, 5 inches. Remember to start on the side of your balloon with the nozzle. When you're making your twists, use the hand that is closest to the tail and twist it in the same direction the entire time. That's our first twist. Now I'm going to cover up the twist and hold both sides with one hand, then make another twist right here so that I have another length of about 5 inches. Now I'm going to bend this down and twist these 2 ears around each other by putting pressure on this twist and also this side of that balloon. You have nose and 2 separate ears this time. The first time we made a loop and they kind of look like 2 ears, but with this method you can really tell that there are 2 separate sections for 2 separate ears and separate sections for each of the legs. Now you're going to make another twist 5 inches from your last one. Hold the twist on both sides with one hand and make another twist 5 inches away. And fold the balloon up so that you can put pressure on this twist that you just made in this part of the balloon, and twist around your front 2 legs. Next, make another twist 5 inches away. Hold both sides of this twist and make another one 5 inches away. And last time, fold the balloon over and put pressure on this twist that you just made in this part of the balloon, and with your free hand, twist around these back 2 legs. And there you have a second way of making a balloon dog. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for a lot more balloon twisting and business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.